Product of powers property. In order to use the product of powers property, we simplify by adding the exponents. The exponents must have the same base or the big number to use the property. Okay, example 1. So we have 7 to the 8th times 7 to the 9th power. We can see they have the same base of 7. Okay, so we are good to use the product of powers property. So we can just simply do this. 7 to the 8 plus 9. And then 7 to the 8 plus 9, well, that's just 7 to the 17th power. And then we're done. Example 2, now we're dealing with variables, but notice we still have the same base of x. Now, we might not know what that first x is being raised to. Just remember, there's always going to be a 1 there if it's not written, like so. It's x to the first power. And now we're good to use our property. So we can say, well, this is just x to the 1 plus 4 power, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So this simplifies to x to the 5th power. Last problem is a little bit different because we have the numbers in front of the variables. First thing I want you guys to do is just look at the 7 times the 4 and simplify that first and foremost. So 7 times 4 gives us 28, so we're going to write that number out front. And then we want to notice y to the 2nd and y to the 13th. We can use our property, right? So we simply add 2 plus 13, which gives us 15. And we tack that right onto the 28 like so. And then we are done with our problem.